He lived in the shadows, forgotten by everyone. Until one day, the little hand reached out. He didn't trust her, but her kindness broke through. To lonely souls, found comfort in each other. In her world, he became someone special. But peace never lasts. When grown-ups get involved, she ran and he followed, like he always would. She gave him a new home, even if it meant goodbye. He watched her go, but she had already saved him. Through the window, her tearful wave carries both sorrow and a quiet promise. Today's farewell births tomorrow's hope.